Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Marjemi God. So guys, in today's video I'll be making a birthday cake. My son's birthday is tomorrow, so I want to make a birthday cake for him and I would like to show you guys. Please guys, note I am not a professional baker. I am a mommy baker. I am not a professional baker. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notification whenever I post in new videos. So let's get it. So yeah, the list of ingredients for the cake. I have here 1 kilogram of sifted flour. I have here 6 eggs, milk. I have here my margarine. You can use butter, sugar, my baking powder, and also my vanilla. The list of ingredients I used and the measurements will be put in the description box. Feel free to check them out. First of all, I'm going to prepare my dry ingredients. So this is my 1 kilogram of sifted flour. Now I'll be adding my vanilla. I'll be using 3 sachets of vanilla, 3 sachets. So I'll be adding these 3 sachets into it. So I'll proceed to add my baking powder as well. I'll be using 2 baking powder. Where does it keep falling inside? So my baking powder is there now, so I'll proceed by adding my sugar. I'll be adding 1 cup of sugar into it. So this is my sugar. Then I mix. So guys, my dry ingredients is ready, and now I will proceed to the wet ingredients. So I have here 6 eggs and 1 cup of milk. So I'll mix or beat the egg together. So these are my wet ingredients, 6 egg and milk. So I will set this aside. Guys, I am using this pot for the mixture because I don't have a bigger bowl. I'll be using this pot. So in this pot now, I'll be adding butter. I'll be using 250 gram of butter. This is 500 grams, so I'll be using 250 gram of butter. So my butter is in there. So all I'm going to do now is to whisk it together until it is pale in color. But if you have a food processor, you can make use of your food processor, but I am using a hand mixer. And if you don't have a hand mixer as well, you can use your hand to mix it together. So I will proceed by mixing this. So guys, the 6 eggs I'm using is not enough, so I'll be adding 2 more eggs. That is a total of 8 eggs. So I'll add 2 more eggs now, then I will whisk it. So this is what it looks like after adding 8 eggs. You want to make sure you scrape the side of the pot or whatever container you are using to avoid having flour in your batter. So now I'll proceed to adding my milk, then I will whisk it together. So guys, this is my baking pan, so I'll be rubbing butter in it so my cake will be able to come off easily. So guys, for the icing, I'll need a bowl. I'll be using margarine, and this is my sugar, my powdered sugar, and a little bit of milk. So the measurement will be listed in the description box. Feel free to check it out. So guys, I've added my butter into my bowl. So this is what it looks like after 5 minutes of whisking it together. This is what it looks like. So guys, our icing is ready. If you want it to be runny, you just have to add little milk, but you need to add the milk bit by bit so that it doesn't get too runny. So this is the consistency that I need. So guys, here is it. And if you want to add color, you can add the color now. So guys, this is my icing. So the only thing I did was to add this blue. I don't know if you guys can see it. I add this coloring, blue color. You can add any color you want, but I'm using blue. So this is what it looks like. So now I'll be designing my cake. I have 2 cakes here. So the first thing I'll do is to add a little amount. Yes, darling. Then I add this. So this is what the full coverage looks like. For me to get the perfect inscription, I used toothpick to write out his name, so that whenever I want to design the name, it will be very easy for me. So guys, here is it. I've used the toothpick to write out his name, so I'll proceed to design the name now.